Hey, it's Matthew here. I am the guy behind the camera. Thanks large for watching Rasta's Kitchen. And I just wanted to give you an update on this goat business. I talked to Mokko just a couple days ago. Whatever happened with the goat? What happened?
I go buy one next one, you know, but one at a time. I go buy a next nice one.
But whatever happened with the cops and stuff and the stolen one? Did anyone ever get in trouble for that, or what went down?
No, nobody never get no fucked up, you know, cause it didn't work out to me, did want it, you know. Me want somebody to go to jail for it, but it didn't work out.
So it's a mystery. It just disappeared with 3 guys in a car, and then we never heard anything again.
Yes, we just said in that one district, one place called Whitehall, you know.
But we don't know for sure. Who knows?
No, we don't know. People say them speed and it have kids and way, blah.
And the second part of this update is we do have a donation page set up at our website, rastkitchen.com. It's a PayPal button and 100% of funds go to Mokko. Without even really asking, we had a few fans donate some money, and we actually got $10,000 Jamaican, which is about 90 US. So I've already transferred him the money, and he is gonna get a new goat. So thank you so much for those of you that donated, and again, huge thanks to all of you for watching. Cheers.